Take one, nigga. I'm telling you.
Stanna mig och Rickard blir
This shit be vibing like, talking about this shit here real rock, no cap type shit. I'm talking about just vibing like, I know my real niggas gonna feel this shit. Hey, first of all, fuck 12. I'd rather be carried by 6 than trapped by a bench. The system built for a nigga to fuck up and miss, but I was built for it tough. I grind, I grit. You can't even walk to the store, it ain't safe out this bitch. On my Dr. King shit, yeah, I had a dream, but all this black on black violence, I don't understand. I got some sons out this bitch, gotta raise me a man. I gotta give it to them raw, cause they be listening. We already found guilty, proven innocent. Because we black, that don't mean we always in some shit. I'm just be vent, talking to my sons, how I kick, bitch.